stars. We aim so high, but the ground below still holds the sky. Constraints we meet, not chains but hands that shape the dreams, like time shapes sands. A factory dreams of more and more, but air must breathe beyond that door. So every gain, a careful price. Lagrange reminds, be still, think twice. It's the balance, quiet and true, between the want and what we do. The bridge that fell, the risk once sold. They all forgot what math still told. Innovation's not just flight, it's wings that learn to hold the night.
In data's world, where lines divide, SVM draws with reason and pride. Each point a voice, each slope a say, and Lagrange guides the fairer way. Oh, it came like crashing waves, dreams unchecked turned into graves. Day once spoke with human flair, but lost its soul in open air. It's the balance, quiet and true, between the want and what we do. The bridge that fell, the risk once sold. They all forgot what math still told. And in the time that you are given, what makes your heart feel it's been living? Maximize joy, but know your line. Lagrange will show you where to find that silent place where dream meets grace, where purpose blooms in steady pace.